What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to unblock websites on Google Chrome. So once you're here on your Google Chrome, you want to go over to the top right corner and click on the three dots right there. Then scroll down to settings, click on it, then select privacy and security. Then you're going to scroll to where you have security, click on it. Then currently for safe browsing, you have your settings on standard protection. If you click on no protection, this actually allows you to have access to certain websites. However, by default, which is recommended, you'll be having the standard protection because having no protection does mean that Chrome will be blocking certain websites. However, if it is blocking sites that you have some trust on, you can click on no protection, in which case you will be having this notification. We're going to go ahead and say turn off in order to have access to certain websites which Chrome would be blocking. Then we're going to scroll down, and here you can come over to the select DNS provider. It's currently on OS default. So we're going to click on the drop down and you can go ahead and choose from these options. We recommend trying Cloudflare, and once this is selected, you can close this tab and you should be able to access certain sites which you might notice are blocked. Do let us know if this works in your case, and thanks for watching.